In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check today's birthdays on Facebook. If you want to quickly see which of your Facebook friends are celebrating a birthday today, the process is very simple once you know where to look. Facebook keeps birthday information in a dedicated area, and from there you can usually see both today's birthdays and any upcoming ones as well. To get started, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Facebook account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you're using the account where your friends list is available, since birthday information is tied to the people you're connected with. After you're logged in, look for the search bar on Facebook. Click into the search field and type the word birthdays. This is the quickest way to get to the section you need, especially since Facebook's layout can vary slightly depending on updates or the device you're using. When the search results appear, open the birthdays page or the birthdays shortcut that Facebook shows you. In some cases, it may appear as a dedicated page, and in others, it may show up as a quick access result. Either way, select the option related to birthdays so you can open the full list. Once you're on the birthdays page, you'll be able to view today's birthdays. This is where Facebook highlights friends who are celebrating today, making it easy to send a message, post on their timeline, or simply keep track of important dates. You may also see upcoming birthdays listed below, which can be helpful if you want to plan ahead and avoid missing anyone in the next few days. If the page looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Facebook often changes its interface, but the search method is usually one of the most reliable ways to find the birthday section. Just focus on locating the result labeled birthdays and opening it. That's all it takes. Go to Facebook, log in, search for birthdays, open the birthdays section, and review today's and upcoming birthdays. It's a fast and convenient way to stay updated, and make sure you don't miss a chance to wish your friends a happy birthday.